Hi everyone, it is Tuesday today and me and my friends are going to house in a village. It's a friend's uncle's place. Basically we're going there to chill, have barbecues and just kind of have a good time. So I'm gonna stay there for a night. Some people are staying for two but I'm only gonna stay for one. And yeah, so I need to pack right now. I prepared some chicken that I'm gonna take with me. I also still need to make garlic butter. I've just been to the shops, that's why I'm also a bit out of breath. But yeah, we should have a really good time. I'm really looking forward to it. But I do need to hurry, so I'm gonna go pack. Hello, it is Thursday today. Yesterday I came back from hanging out with friends. I stayed there over one night. So, I mean, we were still there till the afternoon yesterday. And we came back obviously yesterday. And I just wanted to chill, kind of rest, have some sleep as well, catch up. I took a nap because we didn't sleep much that night. And now, what am I doing now? I'm gonna go to the mall quickly. I actually want to buy a tripod for my phone because I broke the other one. And maybe also do a bit of groceries because the shops are closed tomorrow. And my parents are supposed to come tomorrow. And after I'm done, after I'm back from shops, I think I'm gonna pack my stuff a bit because my parents want to take some things already back home with them. So I should pack things that I'm not gonna be using here anymore that can already go back home because I have a lot of stuff. I mean, it doesn't seem like it, but I remember my brother moving from one place to another and he had loads of things, and I have even more, more clothes, loads of cosmetics, my creative things, I have painting, no, yeah, maybe a bit of painting things, stickers, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the mall now, and when I'm back, I'm gonna also clean the apartment and start packing things. I actually haven't started packing yet. I have journals that I keep, and I'm a bit behind with writing in them. So I decided to do that first because it's kind of been on my mind for a while. So that's what I've been doing now. And after I'm done with those, then I'm gonna start packing because I feel like if I just started packing without having this done, it wouldn't feel right to me. Maybe it's stupid, but yeah, that's kind of how I feel. So I've been doing my journals. I can show you ish quickly kind of how it looks without showing too much. So these are my journals. This is ish how it looks. I just don't want to show too much, but yeah, I basically write stuff. I put tickets, some pictures, sometimes drawings of things. Here I even have a map of Keukenhof. It's with mainly tulips, and Amsterdam we went there last year with parents. So yeah, that's just kind of how I like to journal. It's more of scrapbooking. Sometimes I like to put pictures in, or actually just pictures, like for example here on this page. So yeah, that's kind of how I like to put my memories together. So I would always keep like tickets and even receipts from places, and I never knew what to do with it until I kind of found scrapbooking or journaling or whatever you want to call it. I think what I'm doing is actually a bit of a mixture. So yeah, this way the memories actually make sense and I can write about them, and it's just not just a ticket that doesn't really mean anything. That makes sense. So yeah, I'm gonna keep doing this and then I'm gonna start packing. Okay, so this is where I'm at with tonight's like packing things up. Books, more books with some clothes underneath, shoes, more shoes, and some stuff from the kitchen actually. Yeah. And coats are also packed up. So that's it for tonight. I also don't know how much stuff my parents want to take back with them. But yeah, I guess they have the car like empty, so they can take as much basically as I can help them carry. But yeah, there's so much stuff that's just unbelievable. Oh yeah, and this is a picnic mat that I bought. But yeah, I have just so much stuff, it's unbelievable. So yeah, we'll see how much they can take with them. Okay, so it is Friday. Parents came today and they took some of all the things that I packed. Half full car, which is kind of worrying because I still have more things to take. But yeah, it got a bit empty, the apartment, slightly. Like, I mean, it's a lot of things, but I can show you, like, I emptied out some books, for example. So the shelves are looking very bare. But yeah, I'm gonna show you quickly kind of how it's looking right now. And I'm gonna start a different vlog because I'm gonna continue packing and going through my things. And I don't want the video to be too long. So yeah, I'm gonna do that now. Okay, so a quick overview. That was full of books. Now it's empty. A printer from down there has been taken. And here I also had books. I have one left because I'm actually reading books from that series right now. But like on like ebooks, but this one I have, so I'm gonna read it at the end. But yeah, it's looking a bit empty. So like I said, I'm gonna finish this video here, and if you would like to see more of me packing and just kind of getting ready for the move, then keep watching, and it's definitely gonna be more those kinds of videos, mainly probably vlogs, because after I'm back home, I'm gonna have to go through all the things that I have there and decide which of those items are gonna go with me to Belgium. So that's gonna be a big task and it's gonna take me days. Definitely days. I hope I can do it in like a week, but I honestly don't think I can, and maybe I shouldn't like rush it and just kind of take my time. So yeah, that's it for now. I hope you enjoy this, and like I said, if you want to see more, then just stay tuned for the next video. Bye!